Howdy. So, we start our project of reviving old black truck. We'll see how this works. Me talking to a camera kind of sucks too. But, we're going to see if we can get the old girl back going. Build a 21-inch box, see if we can do some hair tricks. Check her out. It's inside shape. Changing nose. Painting the frame. Fixing this debacle. Everything painted, get that adjusted right. Paint that white bed. Tailgate thing. Make that fit right. Fix the scratch and that scratch. Get rid of that. Fix that. Actually make that thing black. Front's not bad. Replace the lights. And we gotta do this. Gotta fix that. The 8th box is gonna come out, and that 21 box is gonna go in. Hopefully the 8s are okay. I'll pull that out today. And rebuild all this hard-ass work. But I should be able to get it done. And stronger. We'll see. Time to replace the batteries. I'm going to pull them out and test them first. Let's get some tools. Double X. Wildcat woman. This is gonna be a problem. This stupid smart charger ain't too smart. Keeps saying it's a 6-volt battery. Piece of shit. Well, we'll see. We'll get it up to 6 volts. And then change her over. Wheel. That one's bad. 95%. Time to order more. Started on the base. The trap door. So I can get the woofer in. Made an extra table so I could build it. This is a mess. But I'll get it going. Thank you, Home Depot, for sending me warp boards. Look at this. Freaking ridiculous. I think their racks suck. So I got this board clamped up. See if we can take some of the struts out of it. We'll see if that works. There we go. A little bit more. We're getting there. Gotta build these sides. And then build the port in them. Firm it all up. Build the front and the port. And do the top. Be ready to hammer it. Well, here's the current problem. I've got to see if the woofer will fit through my trap door. Don't know. So, let's look at it. I think it'll go in, dip down, and then be able to slide back up. Just worried about getting the bolts in up there. That and the woofer's like 95 pounds, so it's gonna be a struggle. Success. It fits. Holy shit. Chris is so happy he got to carry that and help.